Welcome to your weekly efficiency training. This week we're talking about how to get Google Documents into OASYS. There are two main ways I want to show you how to use them that should use which one works for you as always. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to start by creating a folder on my desktop to keep everything organized. That way everything that I save is going to go into my folder and it's all going to stay organized there. So to start with, I'm going to go to my my document that I have a handout that I want to use as an artifact in OASYS. So one way to do this would be to go to share, and we're going to wind up copying a link that we can give to our administrator to view the document online. Okay. So I'm going to click share. You can see I shared this with a previous class. What I want to do is make sure that I have my privacy settings to anyone with the link can view it. As by default, we're set at private, which means that only you or people that you grant access to can view it. When we click it to anyone with a link can view, that will allow anyone that has that link that we're going to copy to view the document. Now, we don't need to worry about that being searchable or anything. No one's going to find that unless you give them the link to this or you post it on your website or something like that. So mine is set to anyone with the link can view. I will choose save. And now I'm going to copy this big long URL or link up here, which is going to take anyone who clicks on it directly to this document. I'll choose done. So now I have set my sharing settings for this document to anyone with the link can view, and I've copied the URL or the link to the document. Now I'll go into Word where I have a blank document ready to go, and I will paste that link in. So what I have here is the long link. If someone clicks on it, they can go directly to my document. I might type in a quick description here saying and that's all I'm going to do, because when my administrator views this document, they're going to click on the link and it's going to take them to see the handout that I used in my drive. At this point, I can save the document and I'll put it in that folder on my desktop. I was going to go to the desktop here. I'll drag it in there. So I'll save at this point. And when I go back, there it is. So that's one way. I can take this document then, upload it on OASYS, set my criteria settings and add that and upload. There's another way to do this, and I want to show you that now. Back in my drive, I have this, and I'd like to, instead of creating a link to it, I'm just going to create a version of it that I can upload directly to OASYS. So to do that, I'm going to click on File, and I'm going to go about halfway down to where it says Download As. So here we have the option of creating different files to upload directly. I would suggest either using Microsoft Word, the .docx format, or a PDF document. That way it's going to retain all of the formatting we put in there and also be something that we can upload directly. So in this case, I'll make a PDF of it. That's going to go in my Downloads folder. And what I'll do here is just go ahead and put that right into my folder as well. So I'll click on that, drag it in. So both of these are artifacts that are going to take my administrator and allow them to see what I had in my drive, but different ways of doing it. If they go to the handout artifact that I made in Word where I copied the link, all they do is they download that, click on the link, and they'll go directly to that document in my drive, like that. If they choose the PDF, what they're going to see is a static document that if I make changes to it is not going to be reflected by what they see. So if you're going to have something that you're going to add to yet, maybe consider doing the link. Either way, these are both effective ways of showing anything that you have saved in your drive for your administrator to see as an artifact. Hope that helps, and be good.